This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for March 6, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 0.21 points or 0.05% to 413.22. Total trade volume was up with 80,193 shares changing hands at a total value of 455.8 million real or over $115,100. On the main board, 4 stocks were up and 4 were down. Leading the market was Pestec Cambodia, up 7.32% or 180 real to 2,640 real per share, followed by Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, up 0.95% or 60 real to 6,360 real per share. St. Nickville Autonomous Port and MJQ Education were also up. On the downside, the biggest loser of the day was Cam GSM, down 0.41% or 10 real to 2,430 real per share, followed by Grand Twins International, which dropped 0.33% or 20 real to 6,080 real per share. Other stocks also down were Cleda Bank and Phnom Penh Autonomous Port. Meanwhile, Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ stayed flat. Over on the growth board, both stocks remained unchanged. Once again, Cleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 29,843 shares changing hands at a total value of 218 million real or over $55,000, about 37% of Thursday's trade volume. Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 25,732 shares changing hands at a total value of 162.7 million real or over $41,000, approximately 32% of March 6 trade volume. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD was stable at 4,011 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was down to 104.21. Looking at global commodities, oil prices steadied on Thursday after falling over the past 4 sessions, as US tariffs on Canadian crude supply may be eased, but investors remain wary of remaining tariffs on Mexico and major producers' plans to increase output. Brent futures were trading up 42 cents or 0.61% at $69.72 a barrel, while US West Texas Intermediate crude were up 40 cents or 0.6% to $66.71 a barrel. Gold fell, hurt by a slight recovery in the US dollar and higher Treasury yields, while investors awaited US non-farm payrolls data to assess the US Federal Reserve's interest rate path amid escalating global trade tensions. Spot gold was down 0.5% to $2,903.69 an ounce, while US gold futures also lost 0.5% to $2,910.80. S&P 500 futures were flat early Thursday after the major averages rebounded on hopes for concessions on President Donald Trump's tariffs. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, futures tied to the broad market index and the Dow Jones Industrial Average were little changed. Nasdaq 100 futures dipped 0.1%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for March 6th.